Oh man, am I going to help you spend some money today? There is some amazing new merchandise at Universal Orlando Resort, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Since we are now officially in fall, there's a couple of hoodies I want to show you inside of the Super Nintendo world. The first one is this Mario Kart hoodie, red, black, and white. $65. The sleeve says Mario Kart Grand Prix. It's a pullover hoodie. Pockets right there in the front. I like the finishing flag. Overall, I think it's a pretty sharp looking hoodie. Now, like, the finishing flag is white, but it seems like the sleeve is not. It's not white. It's kind of an off-white or a creamy white, but I do think it's a sharp-looking hoodie. And then we have the character hoodies. Bowser Jr. pullover hoodie. It does have pockets on the front side. The sleeve will say Bowser Jr. $79 for this hoodie. The child size version is $65. The next character hoodie to show you is Yoshi. It's orange, big Yoshi right up front. Again with the front side pockets. Yoshi on the left sleeve. $79 for the adult. $65 for the child sizes. Here we have Bowser. Adult sizes, $79. The same formula of character on the front side pockets, the name on the sleeve. And again, there are child size versions for $65. Here's the Luigi one for $79. Adult size. Child size Luigi hoodie, $65. Same pricing for Donkey Kong. That's the adult hoodie. Over to the side here, we have the child size. $79 adult, $65 child. Here is the Princess Peach one. Adult versions, child size. Super cute. Maybe you really like Toad. He's represented on hoodies too. And the main man himself, Mario, in the kid size hoodie, along with the adult size hoodie. Adults are $79. The child sizes, like I said before, $65. And now into the City Walk Universal Studios store to show you a few things. There is some new Harry Potter merchandise. This is a Hogwarts varsity jacket hoodie. It is $75. It buttons up the front. Of course, it's meant to look like an athletic varsity jacket. Buttons up the front, sleeves on the side, crest right there. The sleeve, Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Let me show you. There's nothing on the back. Nothing on the back, but see, it is a hoodie. You know, they weren't hoodies back in the day for the athletic team, but this is a combination hoodie, a varsity jacket for Hogwarts. Here we have for $45 a gray cosmetics case is what the tag says. But you can see the mascots on the sides, the Hogwarts crest. That's the top of it. Handle right there, Hogwarts. The backside just gray. Part of the Hogwarts Gray collection here. $50 for this crossbody bag. There's the bag itself. Keep your phone in there. Other little items you may want. There's the H for Hogwarts. You have a crest over here. This is a wand holder. So you have the wand holder with the crest, the strap to sling it across your body. But there you go. Another new item in the gray collection. 50 bucks, I said, for the crossbody bag. Pajama pants, $40. There's the crest. You have the mascots on there. Also $40, the pajama top. If you're wearing pajamas, you might want to snuggle up with this $60 blanket. I'll show you what it looks like via the picture here. Two-sided. Front side and back side. And in true universal tradition, it is super soft. So I just showed you these pajama bottoms for $40, and I showed you the t-shirt. There is a pajama top that goes with the bottoms a little better because the material matches with all the little mascots and such. A long sleeve pajama shirt for $50. But it would work either way. Wear the pajama bottoms with just the t-shirt style pajama shirt, or with the more traditional button up the front pajama looking shirt for $50. Gray Hogwarts journal for $32. Buttons or snaps closed there. The gray Hogwarts notepad is also $32. The front with the crest, open it up. You've got your pad of paper. This has a bunch of sleeves for different things that you may require. Oh, a little place there for holding a pen or a pencil. $32 for this, like I said. Maybe those two things I just showed you are a little too big. Well, there's something smaller here for $24. A smaller gray crested notepad. A little smaller, a little cheaper. Well, look at this display. Dark Arts, the House of Black merchandise. Let me show this stuff to you. It looks pretty cool. $27 for the House of Black coffee mug. Look at that. That's a good looking coffee mug. $57 for the House of Black bag. The hoodie is $70. There's the crest. I just want you to check out the stitching detail as well that's on the front. It's a pull over your head hoodie, front pocket. The back, it also has that detailed stitching on it. $70 for the House of Black pullover hoodie. $37 for the House of Black t-shirt. Again, let's check out some of the detail here at the bottom. There is a nice graphic on the back too. There you go. There's a look at the large graphic on the back. $30 for the journal, which of course has the Black family tapestry. Do you know what this is for $49? A House of Black with its tapestry. Umbrella. That's an umbrella. Ceramic pot for $45. That's the box, which, you know, the box is attractive, but this is what is considered the pot. I would call it, well, it's not a mug because it doesn't have a handle, but I probably would have called it a glass, but officially, it's a pot. $29 for the trinket dish. I would imagine it's like this, but in dish form. $8 for the postcard. Yep, it's a postcard with that famous Black family tapestry. $12 for the pin, the Black family crest. House of Black keychain. $15. Here's something I forgot to show you in the crest collection. $28 for the baby onesie. $30 for the gray hat. Hogwarts crest right there. It's one of those Velcro closures. It says Hogwarts on it. It's kind of floppy. There's the Hogwarts H. But, oh, the bill, look under there, the mascots. It's partly structured, like the front's really structured. The back end a little floppy. I'm about to go show you some fluffy unicorn stuff, but I just wanted to take one more look at the Black Family coffee mug. I really like this coffee mug. This might have to be... Do I purchase it for Nikki or for myself? Okay, this section of the store has the fluffy unicorn merchandise. $70 for the unicorn sweatshirt, and yes, it is so fluffy. Get the matching cap over here. Check that out for $30. $25 for the youth tank top and the shorts. You know, that's a good outfit right there, right? The shorts, the youth shorts are $30. $37 for this t-shirt. And if you're wearing all this cute, fluffy unicorn merchandise and you're going to school with it, have yourself one of these 10 lunch boxes. $36 for these. Let's see what the other side. Oh, the other side's just like polka dot. Just like that. And the side, though, says fluffy. A fluffy bucket hat for $30. And yes, this is fluffy on multiple levels. The name of it's fluffy. The actual feel of it is fluffy. $27 for the unicorn baseball cap. And yes, you can see, just look at the texture, the unicorn is fluffy. The pins. The pins range from a low price of $8 to a high price of $11. The retractable ID holders are $15. This pullover child's hoodie is $69. Yes, it is fluffy all over. And then let's see if I can show you the actual hood. The hood will turn your kid into a unicorn. So obviously you want to be decked out with this fluffy unicorn stuff from head to toe. And this is the toe part. These slippers right here, man. Let me see the price of these. Oh, $29. Yes, this will complete your outfit. You can dress head to toe. You or your child, head to toe, as a fluffy unicorn. Wow, I did not have to walk far today to show you some amazing new merchandise. Don't miss the magic. Don't miss the fun. We'll see you next time.